Ipsy, you used to suck, and then you went leap years ahead of BoxyCharm, and now you just like fell off that cliff. Hi everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you're curious what is in the December 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. For anyone who is new or curious what Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is about, it is a $25 a month beauty subscription box bag collection of items, and you get to choose 3 of your 5 items. All right, heads up folks, I'm gonna be a little cranky today because without even unboxing, for once I actually recall-ish, not necessarily the exact products, but I do recall when I did my selections, I wasn't very pleased or happy because, like, option 1, like, you could choose between 2 eyeshadow palettes, and then they had, like, a face palette. Okay, good, you pick one. And then you go on to option 2, and again, it had like eyeshadow palettes and like a face palette. And then option 3, so then I found it's like, wait, so now I have to choose between multiple eyeshadow palettes and multiple face contour highlighter. It's like, have one and then you pick and then you get this and then offer, I don't know, lip products, cheek products, skincare. Just have more variety. I don't know, because I found it really annoying, and I'm going to list on the screen what my options were and what I selected. And I'll do this after I've unboxed it because my memory's not super clear. I just remember there were a ton of eyeshadow palettes and a ton of, or what felt like a ton, maybe there were 2 face palettes, which, I don't know, it annoyed me because I picked the one I wanted, and then I moved along, and then I was like, wait, so then I had to go back and then discern between the 2 which one I really want, and I'm just like, don't make decisions hard, move along, and throw up a different type of product. I don't know. Let me know if you felt the same, or if you think, once again, I'm being a little critical and picky. It's honestly how I felt. All right, enough of me rambling. Let's dig into this bad boy, and maybe when I see it in person, I'll be like, that's not so bad. I like what I got. How many of you missed the actual box? I missed the box. It's plastic, bubble. It's, you know, not good for the environment. Ooh, I don't know what's in here, but it feels soft. Ooh, I swear to God. Maybe it's the same color. It was a different material, but here is the bag. It's feels like acrylic, like a really nice winter sweater, and I do enjoy this color. I do not care for these little pouches. I miss the zipper bags. All right, there was one thing outside of the pouch, and I'm pretty sure I didn't pick this. I probably did. Oh my goodness. So this is from SHAINA. I do believe I have a review of an eyeshadow palette that I received in an Ipsy box in the past. I will link it up above. This is a blush and highlight palette. And the same as with their eyeshadow, there are little flamingos or birds. Let me do it this way. Baked into the pan, that when their necks kind of connect, it looks like a little heart. All right, so, oh, I forgot to mention, if you're wondering why I'm not wearing makeup, I knew I was going to be getting a lot of face products in this box and thought, hey, you know what? Why don't I actually swatch and try them on? So I have two shimmery highlight shades and two blushes. These are probably a bit dark for my complexion. I will try them, well, tapping very lightly, maybe between the two. This is too rosy pink. This is too gold. These blushes look lovely, but we shall see how they look on my face. All right, next item. Ooh, what is this? This is clean and effective. Ooh, it's from TULA. This is So Polished Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. It's a big, oh, is this like an all over body sugar scrub? This is what the packaging looks like. What does it say? Oh, and I just got an email from Ipsy. Apparently, they messed up on the website what my items are. I hadn't looked yet, thank goodness, because it took me a couple days before I could even start filming. Once I've completed all of the unboxings, I will look. I do not like spoilers. Okay, so we have another palette here. This is hefty. It's thick and has some weight to it. This is by CHELLA. I don't know if I picked this. Did I pick this? It only has 4 pans. A lovely mirror. Very hefty. Is it plastic? Can't be. I don't know why it weighs so much. There's only 4 pans in here. Oh, look at this. Wait. Interesting. Trying not to blind you. So you can take the little pans out. Not sure why you would want. I guess you could put it in a zebra or, you know, a little empty palette. Oh, okay, they come out very easily and they are magnetized. I have a feeling these might be too thick to go into because they're a lot thicker than a normal pan, but all right. It does come with a dual-sided brush. There's a little brush on one side and a sponge tip on the other side. I'm really curious to look up what my options were because I don't know why I picked that one. All right, on to the next item. We have a cream eyeshadow, eye Lustre, and this is from CIATÉ London. Whoa. That is very dusty rose. Let's do a swatch. Ooh. Very creamy. Almost it felt wet going on. That is a lovely color though. Peachy rose gold. All right, what is the last item? Did I already talk about 5 products and forget one? Or did I only get 4 products? Let's do a recap. By the way, the outside of this bag is super soft. The inside is annoying. It's crinkly and it's like, what do you call that? Rain jacket, or not a full rain jacket. What do you call that when you, those lightweight, windbreaker material. Words are hard. All right, let's recap because I'm super confused. We got an exfoliating product from TULA, a liquid eyeshadow, cream eyeshadow from CIATÉ London, a 4-pan blush highlighter palette from SHAINA, and a 4-pan eyeshadow palette from CHELLA. Where's item number 5? All right, time to go look at the email. What did they stiff me on? Ipsy, you used to suck, and then you went leap years ahead of BoxyCharm, and now you just like fell off that cliff. Okay, so the email says, we wanted to reach out and let you know there is a glitch on our site showing you the incorrect bag combination that you will be receiving. You will receive the Violet VOSS Pinky Promise eyeshadow palette instead of the Il Maquillage Color Boss multi-dimensional eye color. I didn't receive either of those items. As an extra thank you for your understanding, we've added 600 points to your account that can be redeemed towards a product of your choice in the point store. Heads up, 600 points doesn't buy you jack shit. Okay. So, that's what that email says. Now I'm going to pull up the actual screenshots I took when I was actually making my selections, because right now I can't remember anything. Let's see what all my choices were. Okay, so here are my choices. Do you see now why there was an eyeshadow palette in every selection, 1, 2, and 3. There was a face palette, 2 face palettes on selection 1, and a face palette down as the 3rd option. And I'm just noticing that the SHAINA B that they sent to me has 4 pans. Look what I got for my selection of product number 3. They displayed a 6-pan palette, which is what I selected. Had I known it was only going to be a 4-pan, I would have gone with the Wander Beauty up as option number 1. And now I understand why I selected this CHELLA, because A, in the picture it doesn't look as scary as it does in real life, and B, because I didn't want the eyeshadow palette in option 2 or 3. See how many repetitive products there were? Okay, I am back. I have some makeup on now. I am not a happy camper, so if you don't want to hear me vent, thanks for watching this long. Here we go. Buckle up. All right. I spent some more time analyzing what my choices were. So, choice number 2, the reason I didn't go for that SHAINA B palette is because I already received it, I don't know, in March of this year, February. So, I'm annoyed that they advertised you're going to get a 6-pan face palette, and they sent me a 4-pan. Annoyment number 3. The Violet VOSS, I didn't even select, but now they're going to send it anyways. I only received 4 items instead of 5. I originally was going to select the Huda Beauty highlighting pan, but then when I realized I wouldn't be able to select anything else, it's like I abandoned that to get the SHAINA B face palette, because the other options, non-waterproof mascara, some nail stuff, I don't do my nails, and then the eyeshadow palette on option 3 was like Crayola crayon, and I'm not that adventurous. This I'm like uncomfortable with. This is way too adventurous for me. Option 2, again, no Violet, or the SHAINA B already own. They have the exact same product in just 2 different colors. Is that an option, really? So I got one of them, and then I don't know why I didn't get the last item, which seems to be skincare, but I'm sure I read about it and was like, no thanks. Yeah, so this box is a big old dud. Comment down below, do you feel the same? And I'm also very curious, do you get offered up the same things to choose from? Or were your selections very different? Are you jealous of what I got to choose from? Or was yours the same? Like, nope, nothing in that row I like. Or I already received this 6 months ago, therefore I don't want it. Don't like that color. I don't use that type of I mean, the last 3 months, Ipsy has been spot on. Like, yes, pick this. Great. And then what they send me, I'm like, yes, this one legit. I don't like any of the products. Well, to be fair, I haven't tried the TULA, but it's a body scrub, which I should probably start using, but I don't really use to begin with. So I'm like, whatever. I'm wearing, I don't know if we'll pick up on camera, the highlighter shades in that SHAINA B palette. I don't have a lot of texture or large pores. This makes it look like I do. Not a fan. So if anyone's interested in something that's been swatched and used once, let me know. All right. Rant done. Leave your comments and thoughts below. Do you guys like this box? I swear, everything's going to be in a future giveaway. Well, 4 of the 5 items, I did not receive a 5th item. All right. Enough grumbling. I had such high expectations that December is going to be awesome. It's Christmas. The boxes are going to be spectacular, fantastic. I don't know what happened. All right. I'm going to list on the screen the total value of this box and end with some final comments. Okay, if you have made it this far in my video, A, thank you, and B, guess what? I'm going to be doing a giveaway soon. Giveaways, plural. And you lucky viewers who've stuck out this long in my video, you have qualified to participate. So what I want you to do is leave me a comment and let me know, are you into adventurous makeup? Do you want hair care products or a combination of both? I'm going to do several giveaways for all year. I've been getting lots of subscription boxes as well as multiple advent calendars, and there are numerous products from all of the above that I will never use and want to give back to my loyal viewers and subscribers. So please be subscribed, leave a comment, and click a thumbs up. And in your comment, let me know adventurous makeup, hair care, or a combination of the both. And I will be doing this over to the end of the year, and then doing a drawing. So for those lucky people who watch my videos to the end, guess what? You will participate. For those who only click on the thumbnail, land and watch like 30 seconds and leave, I'm not going to advertise in the description box or in the title like I did in the past. That way only my true supporters will benefit from my giveaway. All right, thanks everyone. All right, thank you so much for watching. Apologies for being kind of scroogey. Leave me a comment, hit the thumbs up button, and if you aren't subscribed, I would love for you to do so. I'm normally not this cranky. And for those who are subscribed, thank you. Apologies. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you're notified of future videos. All right, thanks everyone.